Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am MD Abdul Rashid, Department of Marketing, Uttar Bangla College, Kakinya Lalmurihat. Today I will discuss presentation method of visual communication. Presentation method of visual communication দৃশ্যমান যোগাযোগের উপস্থাপনের পদ্ধতিসমূহ. There are many ways through which information and message can be presented. If you want to ensure the effectiveness of the presentation, you should select the most appropriate way. Some of the ways of presenting information are tabulation, তালিকা. Most commonly used method of presenting data is tabulation. Information is very often provided in the form of table. A table is an orderly arrangement of information in rows and columns. Table can be used for general purpose and special purpose. A general purpose table cover a broad area of information. All the ins and out are presented in it. Ins and out মানে খুঁটিনাটি. A special purpose table contain information that could be included with related information in a general purpose table. বার চার্ট, দণ্ড চিত্র. Bar chart is one of the most important technique to visual communication. When information or data is plotted on a graph to bar, it is called bar chart or bar diagram. Bar chart may be displayed vertically or horizontally. It can be made up of single or multiple bars. Everybody can understand and interpret the bar chart very easily. They are very much useful for showing comparison. Line graph, রেখাচিত্র. When the information is shown on a graph through line, maybe a curve or a straight, curve মানে বক্র, straight মানে সোজা, it is called line chart. In constructing a line chart, you draw the information to be illustrated as a continuous line on a grid. The grid is the area where the line is displayed. It is scaled to show time sense in the x-axis and quantity sense in the y-axis. Pie chart. বৃত্তচিত্র. When the information is shown through a circle, it is called a pie chart. Pie charts are often used when it is necessary to show the relationship of part to a whole. If we use too many segments in the pie, the impact could be lost. We represent the information in the pie through percentage. In this chart, shading may be used to focus special attention on a single element. ছবি সারণী. When figure or symbol are used to present the information, it is called the pictogram. A pictogram shows information represented in the form of picture or figure or symbol. The value of each figure indicate either the size or the quality of item. Visually, it is interesting and easily understood. Lessiger and Hartley. A pictograph is a bar or column chart that uses bar made of picture. The picture are typically drawings of the item being compared. Maps, ভূচিত্র. Maps can be an effective visual aid to communicate. We can consider the weather forecast map shown on television. In this respect, location can be identified easily by maps. Map may also be sent out to customer showing a new branch of a company. Besides, তাছাড়া, you may use it to communicate quantitative as well as physical or geographic information. There are many kinds of maps such as statistical map, পরিসংখ্যানিক map, quantitative map, পরিমাণগত map, physical or geographic map, ভৌগোলিক map অথবা শারীরিক map. Diagram, চিত্র. Diagram help to communicate visually. Diagram may also be sent out to delegate of a conference. The location of the head office as well as branch office can be indicated on a diagram. It is very useful to newcomers. Cartograph, মানচিত্র. A cartogram is a special type of map which is used to give information about the distribution of people or things within a country or region. Things may be depicted clearly in a cartogram. For example, you can show the density of population in China or a number of 7-star hotel in Southeast Asia on a map. Chart, প্রবাহ চিত্র. The chart which is used to show a sequence of decision or instruction of a process is called a flowchart. Flowcharts are often used in business organization to to work out the steps of writing a computer program. It is a logical diagram that can help to achieve the goals effectively. Visual planning board, দৃশ্যমান পরিকল্পনা বোর্ড, visual planning board can play a vital role to communicate non-verbally. It can be built up to show virtually any information from a simple plan showing staff holidays to a complex plan showing activities of a firm over a year featuring a number of variables. Gantt chart অর্থাৎ জ্ঞান চার্ট, the chart which shows the relationship between actual work and standard work in respect of time is called a Gantt chart. Shirley Taylor, a Gantt chart is used to show the comparison between work which has been scheduled and work which has actually been accomplished in relation to time.